This is the snow.
This is snow.
Wait, here it comes. Here it comes. It's snow. This? Oh, not packable.
It's not packable yet.
It's not packable yet, but it was before.
Yeah, it's all crazy.
Shut up. And you can make snowballs like this.
Okay.
You throw them like that. Like that.
Okay, you want to play the... You ready? You ready? We're gonna go like running in the snow. Here we go. Run! We're gonna die! Here, you wanna...
Okay.
You wanna hold it?
Yeah. It's so deep! It's so deep!
I'm gonna fall down.
Okay.
Don't go past that line.
Why? I'm gonna do it! I'm gonna go past the line! Oh, wow. I picked the wrong type of high tops on.
Eat the snow!
Ah! Attack of the killer snow! Never! Never! Ah, the tree! Go over the car, let's go, Here.
That was fun. That was only 1 minute and 55 seconds.
It was all that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got a scarf!
Oh yeah.
I got a scarf!
It's gonna come off.
Snow!
I have high tops on.
Yeah, I feel so bad for you.
It's the best.
I have boots on. Look at that! Look at that!
Oh. Wait.
Truck!
My leg.
Your leg! And we're off! Whoa! I'm off! I'm gonna die! Okay. Snowbank! Snowbank! Run! Charge! Oh, kick in the bed!
Okay. I'm gonna climb on this. Very dangerous.
Yeah, sure.
I don't even want to put my fucking foot down.
It's gonna fall!
Woo!
Woo!
It is high tops.
There you go.
I don't know how to get back down.
That's when you jump. That's when you go this way. Whoa!
Oh my god, I can't see. Okay.
Come on, Crystal. Come on, Ricka, you can do it.
Follow me down.
Ricka, do it.
I can do it. And so if I can do it.
Come on, you're almost there.
Oh, okay, I see that. Oh, dude, all the snow just hit my freaking phone.
What?
All the snow just hit my phone. Oh.
Whoa, go Ricka!
And that is Jay. Wait.
I think they know who I am, but whatever. Oh, you dropped the camera. Hi, people.
Oh yeah, that's Jay.
Oh.
Heck yeah, that's my glove. Can't really see my glove. Woo! Run to coverage! Ah! Oh my god, no! Oh my god! Oh my god! Woo! Beep! Beep beep.
Cookies!
Apples!
I want cookies!
Oh yeah.
Something really insane. Ready for this? Ready?
Oh god, is she
Hold the phone. Put it in the pocket somewhere. I'm gonna get really cold.
Okay. This is Jay being stupid, as you can see. Okay. Here we go. How do we zoom on this thing? How do we zoom?
You don't.
Oh, okay. Can't see her. She looks like an ant right now. Okay.
Ow.
No.
Yeah.
I have too many phones and this phone will fall out. And it's your phone! Your phone's gonna fall out to the... Oh crap, I'm about to drop this thing. Oh, this...
Is this still recording?
Yeah, 5 minutes and 35, 36, 37.
Ready for this shit?
Here we go. Yeah. All the way down to the deepest part of the snow.
Ready for this?
Yeah! Let's go! Woo!
Hold on a second, I can't do it from there.
Oh, come on. Really? Really? What are we gonna do? Make a snow angel?
I'm gonna go sliding into home base right now.
Okay. You might want to do that in the grass, because if you get too low down with the snow and the cement, you're gonna get a...
Ready for this?
Yeah. Okay, it's doing on...
Sliding into home base.
Okay, it's called sliding in the home base. We're watching. We're watching. Woo! Oh yeah, that was good. That was good.
Whoa!
Wait a minute, you said this thing's gonna go on YouTube?
I am gonna put it on YouTube.
Okay. Oh, that's great.
Oh,
Everybody can see how fat I am. Yes.
down my pants.
Oh, I'm breaking the snow off my shoe. Ah.
Ricka,
What?
it went down my pants.
Oh, great.
My ass is cold.
This is the wall of the thing. I'm Ricka.
That's
Whoa.
the haunted school.
This is the haunted school. The Nazi sign and the KKK. We're on the east side of New... Oh, yeah, guys, zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in. That's the Sequoskada. I can't pronounce what it is. The Sequoskada.
It's the Nazi symbol.
Oh, yeah, it's the Nazi symbol. There's a KKK. We're on
I
the...
forget how to pronounce it.
Yeah, we are on the east side of Newark. And
It's not very good.
not very...
It's a gangster city. Woo!
Woo! The gangsta city.
Gangsta! I am a shy, blushing, engaged ninja kitty. Woot!
Yeah, she's engaged with some dude in California.
Hey, it's not just some dude. I just said dude.
Doo-doo!
I just said dude.
Doo-doo! Sorry.
I gotta go.
Yeah, that's how deep our snow is down here.
Look. This is how high it comes when you're walking. Like literally.
Okay, step out there just a little bit. Out there. And zooming. Zoom. That's how high it gets. And I'm wearing
High
tops, so, you know, I'm pretty much screwed, so.
There's a person. It's a rapist. Run away and hide.
Pretty main height.
Danger!
Oh yeah, we gangsters. Oh yeah, what?
I'm a kitty gangster. Oh,
You're
what
kitty kids. Okay, what are we? Naruto freaks! Oh yeah!
Wow, we sound like preps. Ow, we sound like preps!
Oh my god, we're preps! We are not preps!
We are not preps!
We're fucking evil!
What?
Watcha! Okay.
No, it goes like this. What's up? Seriously, you gotta try that, it's fun. Seriously.
Watcha!
There you go.
See how many minutes we have on this thing? Oh, 9 minutes.
What?
We just got past 9 minutes. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
The longest video!
Actually, I got a 15-minute long video.
Okay, we're gonna make it longer.
What?
Oh yeah, like a lot of hours.
Oh yeah.
Lots of hours. That's gonna be like freaking a whole bunch of hours just to watch one video for YouTube.
It can only take 10 minutes. So we need to wrap this up and we'll make another one.
Okay. We're wrapping this up. Cause it is now, we have now 9:28, okay? And now she's gonna take the iPod daddy thingamabobber and here's her cell phone.
My awesome cell phone looks like Gur.
Wait.
It looks like fucking Gur.
Fear I'm green.
Iridescent cell phone cover.
Oh yeah. Okay, here. We are almost at it. Come on.
Beep.
Wait.
Hold.
We got to end this motherfucker. And let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Yeah.